Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well and you're enjoying the countdown for Christmas. Oh, you'll see some evidence from other videos here. In this video, I am going to be making a set of 4 coasters. I've always got an extra one just in case something goes wrong. I'm making a set of 4 coasters. Somebody's actually ordered these from me and she left it up to me. She said she's really into pink and blue at the moment. So I was thinking like 80s vibe, early 90s vibe, a little bit Stranger Things, you know, with those kind of patterns. And in this video, I'm going to be using the Mica Powders sent to me by the same company who sent me the 3-tiered silicone tray mold. If you watched that video, you'll know I meant to use the silver. I just completely forgot all about it and it was just right in front of me. I never used it. But in today's video, I'm going to use the gold, and I can tell you right now, I've used it before. A little goes a long way. So if you do end up getting these Mica Powders, just know that you do not need much. I'm not affiliated with this company. I'm not getting paid by this company, but this gold is another level. So you will see as soon as I brush it into these molds, you'll see. First thing I'm going to do is mix my resin. I'm using Vuba. It's got quite a long work time, so I know that if I mix it now, it will still be good in half an hour to play with after I've taped these up and brushed them with mica. So Vuba is a 2-to-1 resin. It's pretty new. You would have seen it in a recent video. But before that, I'm going to tape these off and get my mica powder ready to dust these. finished. I absolutely love them. The mica powder is just so bright. When I put it on, it really is quite, as every mica powder is, it's such a flyaway product, so you have to be so careful with your tape. There are definitely places where I had to wipe it down, but yeah, I absolutely love it. You can see with the pink, I'm a bit disappointed because where I mixed the white, I didn't mix it for long enough. I did mix it for a long time, but obviously some of that white didn't quite make it in, and you can just see it there on the surface. But I still love them. Let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.